channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new release from Dacia's V2025 Dacia Dokker. This vehicle has been redesigned to meet the needs of families, small businesses, and anyone looking for a practical, efficient, and versatile vehicle. Whether you're familiar with the Dokker or just curious, stick around as we explore everything this car has to offer. First off, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Dacia Dokker has a modern, sleek look that reflects Dacia's new design language. It's a more polished appearance than previous models, featuring sharper lines and a slightly more aerodynamic body. The front end has a bold grille with LED headlights that give it a distinctive look, especially for a vehicle in this category. The higher roofline and spacious cabin remain, making it easy to load up, whether you're carrying luggage, tools, or outdoor gear. Moving on to the interior, Dacia has really stepped up the game here. You'll notice right away that the cabin feels much more refined, with higher quality materials and a layout that's both functional and comfortable. The seats are more supportive, providing extra comfort for long drives, and there's ample space for both front and rear passengers. The dashboard has a simple, user-friendly design with an updated infotainment system featuring a large touchscreen, easy navigation, and connectivity options like Bluetooth and USB ports. Plus, it supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so staying connected on the go is easier than ever. One of the highlights of the new Dokker is its storage capacity and flexibility. With a spacious rear cargo area and clever storage compartments throughout the cabin, you can carry a significant amount of gear without feeling cramped. The rear seats fold down flat, offering a massive cargo space that's ideal for transporting larger items. This versatility makes the Dokker a solid choice for families, weekend adventurers, or small businesses that need a reliable workhorse. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Dokker comes with an efficient engine lineup, featuring both petrol and diesel options. The engines are designed to balance power with fuel economy, which means lower running costs without sacrificing performance. The car handles well on the road, with a smooth ride that absorbs bumps nicely, and the steering is light, making it easy to maneuver, even in tight city streets. There is also an optional automatic transmission, which is a welcome addition for drivers who prefer a more relaxed driving experience. Safety is another area where the new Dokker shines. It's equipped with modern safety features, including lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and multiple airbags to keep you and your passengers protected. Dacia has made sure that the 2025 Dokker meets current safety standards, providing peace of mind whether you're driving in the city or on the highway. In terms of pricing, Dacia has managed to keep the Dokker affordable while adding value through its improved design, technology, and safety features. This vehicle represents great value for anyone who needs a reliable, spacious, and versatile vehicle without breaking the bank. With its combination of practicality, style, and affordability, the 2025 Dacia Dokker is set to be a popular choice in its category. So that's the 2025 Dacia Dokker in a nutshell. It's practical, modern, and incredibly versatile. Perfect for families, small businesses, and anyone who needs an all-round performer. Let us know in the comments what you think about this new model. Would you consider it as your next vehicle? And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.